Okay, just a quick camera, another camera from my collection. This one is the Pentax ES. I think that stands for Electro Spotmatic. I bought this in 1975, so I've had it for 40 years now this year, and it's been a very, very good camera, a lovely camera. There you see it's got the 1.4 aperture lens there, 50mm standard lens, and it's a beautiful thing. And I'm still going strong after all these years. I actually bought it second hand. It was about 2 years old when I bought it, I think. And so there you have it. Still working. Fantastic camera.